Do you think that if you pick a random niche and upload a random video and it will work, you are absolutely wrong? Success in the YouTube industry is not from choosing idea or pro editing. The main problem is the right niche. No one cares or gives enough time on choosing niche cause of that they struggle too much. But if you already click in these videos, you think to start a YouTube channel and you want a niche that can take you all the stairs up. So did you know that people are becoming more insane these days and that nature's getting into terrible situations? Every morning, something new occurs here. These cause people to worry and wonder what would happen if something were to happen here. So I have a channel that speaks to people's thoughts. But first, let's look to the channel, what has been achieved before, start sharing how to create them. These YouTube channel has achieved 90,000 subscribers from 34 videos. And if we check, the videos all are getting millions or thousands of views in such short time. And you are curious, what are the videos about? I know. Let's see them here. Important things that will be impossible to find when society collapses. Here we have what government takes when everything collapses. How to heal your wound when hospitals collapse. You see, it makes people fear and curious, and at the same time, it gives them a solution on how to survive it so they can't resist on clicking the video, as well as if you see the thumbnail. And text looks all scary using scary fonts. So now let's see how much they are earning using Social Blade. They are earning monthly from 1,000 USD to 5,000 USD. So after we saw all the channel, now I will show you how to create from scratch, step by step, as well as how to add another income method using these niche that can get you some cash before you get monetized. So get your notebook and your coffee and be ready to listen carefully, as well as I will leave for you a PDF that has all the important steps and the tools you need.
The first lie you'll tell yourself won't sound like a lie. It will sound reasonable. It will sound calm. It will sound like this. This is temporary. You'll say it quietly, maybe not out loud, but you'll feel it settle in your chest. Temporary means you don't have to change yet. It means you can wait. It means you can keep your routines a little longer. You'll check your phone. You'll listen to old explanations. You'll look for familiar voices to tell you what this means. Because humans don't fear danger first. We fear uncertainty, so we soften it. We call collapse a disruption.
Step 1. Idea. For idea, I've already done for you guys a ready prompt that can use it. Now let's go to PDF and copy the prompt. The prompt is saying act as a creator like sketchocalypse. Generate 20 realistic, dark, calm video ideas about what to do when society collapses. Focus on human behavior, psychology, mistakes, and survival logic. Not fantasy, zombies, or weapons. Each idea should feel unsettling but practical, like a quiet warning. Now we will use an AI to get ideas, and for these one, I think ChatGPT is still the best. Now let's paste the prompt, then ChatGPT will provide us like these 20 ideas that we can choose freely, and if we see like we have banger ideas, look, the first lie you'll tell yourself when society collapses, why most people won't starve, they'll freeze. The biggest survival mistake, staying who you were, why trust will become a currency. Bro, these ideas are crazy. These, if you get a nice and clean attention seeker script, you're gonna make it. Now, after we get the ideas, let's say we choose one, we have to write a script. And also for these one, I have ready prompt to use it as professional. To write a perfect script, copy the prompt I have done for you from the PDF and paste it to ChatGPT. Now fill your idea in the blank and wait for ChatGPT to make ready your script. For me, I will choose this idea to fill the first lie you'll tell yourself when society collapses. And here we have the script ready. Now we need prompts for the scenes to create images. Step 3. Creating image prompts. As you see on the other channel, they are drawing it by themselves, so we know that we don't have that talent. So we will draw the image using AI. So to get the prompts for creating the image correctly, we will use ChatGPT to give us a prompt for every and each scene. And for these one, don't worry, I have already done for you a ready professional prompt. You just have to copy from the PDF and paste to ChatGPT, then add your script on the prompt and wait for the magic to happen. And look, we have all the prompts ready now. Step 4, creating image. To create image, we will use Whisk AI. Now just copy the prompts for the image and paste it on Whisk AI and hit next or generate. And in a few seconds, we have an image ready. So we just have to copy and paste the prompts for the image that we have created through ChatGPT. And also, if we finish the credit, just sign up using new Gmail account and you will have new credits to use. Now we need to animate the images. Step 5, animating the images. To animating the images, we will use Flow AI, and here click New Project, and here we can create image or text to video. Let's choose frame to video and hit upload, then show all files. Now choose the image you want to animate. Then just write small and easy instruction for now. I will just write animate. And in a few seconds, the video is ready. Now in the upper right, click download, then choose original size, 720 resolution, and done. Now you just have to do that step by step and animate all the images. By the way, when Flow AI animate the image, it adds sound effect to it, and it is very nice. Step 6, voice over. Open 11 labs, explore voice, select one, copy the script, paste it into 11 labs, and click generate voice. In a matter of seconds, you will have a ready-made voiceover for the video. Step 7, editing. For editing, we don't have too much to do. These type of videos are simple. First, open CapCut. Next, upload the voiceover to CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Then upload all the scenes and drag them one by one to the timeline by order. Now we will add caption, go to text, and click. Add caption, then change the font to scary. Add some stroke and glow, and the video is done. So to create these videos, the most thing you have to do is getting an amazing idea, and that one you will find in the PDF below. After that, anything is easy using Flow AI. It animates image and adds sound effect, including background music. Step 8, income stream without being monetized. Many people think YouTube only pays after monetization, but that's not true. Ads are just one layer, and in this niche, they are not even the first one. This type of channel does not grow because of entertainment. It grows because it gives people clarity. People do not come to be excited. They come to understand what is happening around them, and that changes how money works. Instead of selling attention, this niche sells calm, and calm is valuable. You do not need a big audience, you need the right one. Simple digital products work well here, like short guides, checklists, and planning documents. People do not buy them because they are scared. They buy them because they want structure. That is why a $5 guide can work better than ads. Templates also work, such as planners, Notion pages, and simple tools that help people think clearly. Even affiliate links are quiet in this niche, like books, journals, and tools that reduce noise. You do not push money, you mention it softly, and move on. When people trust you, they do not feel sold to, they feel guided. Money becomes a side effect, not the goal. This niche rewards patience. So, I put everything you can sell for these niche. All the ideas you need on what to do, you have ready, so download the PDF and use it nicely.